What's up, squad? It's your boy ATM, and yo, welcome to the reaction channel. How each and every one of you guys doing? Hope all y'all are doing great. Before we get started off with this video, you guys already know what to do. Hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get there. Let's go together, and let's reach that milestone. But yo, what I got for you guys today is damn nature, you scary, funny, scary animal encounters. Let's not waste any time. This video is brought to us by Bell Army, so let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Oh, at least y'all got the spare in the back. But dang, throw a flag for. Oh snap! Oh yeah. Dang. Yeah, you can't even go anywhere now. Where y'all at? We all just got a that was a buffalo, no, or a bull. One of the, no, where you got a bull just in the middle. What the heck is going on? Those are eels. That duck is savage. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my gosh! What is that? What is that? So, hammerhead shark, right?
He sees it. He sees it. Look at him. Oh my God.
I was gonna kick him. Ah! Damn! It wasn't that bad. I've seen worse. Oh my god! That bird is messing him up.
One, and two, three.
Ooh, how'd you let it get that close to you? Or probably he was probably standing somewhere, maybe sitting down and just went up his pants leg. But dang,
Be careful, Evan.
they're gonna end up flipping out their boat. Watch.
Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. What do y'all got going on? You petting the monkey for it. The monkey's chilling. Mind its own business. What? Get the kid. What are you doing? What are y'all walking away from? Oh, it's a snake. Oh my gosh. See, I would have got it then. Cause then later you had to worry about it. Oh snap! It didn't go through all the way though.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What?
Gotta be careful here.
Yo, ain't no way, ain't no way. Did you fall? Yo, what the heck? Get up, dude. That thing is still coming.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Dude, for real. Why are you still there, dude?
Get back.
That's probably a female protecting her nest. Ooh. Oh my gosh. What's that? Why y'all scared of a lizard? No, that's a car. That's an alligator. Oh, snap. I thought it was a whole lizard. Uh oh. Uh oh.
I'm so glad I was recording that.
She is not okay.
Got like a big stick or something. Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is. That is not a stick. Oh my god. That's not a stick at all.
Oh my gosh.
Holy sh!
Cut the line, bro. Cut the line.
Holy sh! Oh my lord, holy moly.
Anyway, if you know the risk, I wouldn't even take it.
Wow, that changes things.
Oh.
You might have seen videos like this before, but here's the big secret. Anyone can make one of these videos in
What? Hey, yo. Well, that's it for Mr. Krabs. That is it for him.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
Now, let me know in the comment section down below. That's like, I think that's a
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
bobcat?
I'm going away.
It's a bobcat, right?
I'm going away.
Let me know down in the comments.
I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not
I was having trouble trying to figure out what
going away.
type of animal that was in the last reaction video that I did. Ooh.
I have a gun.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking on the trail and mom and two cubs. So I am
Ain't
continuing
no way.
to walk backwards.
Ain't no way.
The mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
And if you start running, they gonna be running at least as fast as you are running. Now, what is that? Gotta be some type of fish. Oh, the bird is done. Oh, now I gotta wait. What is in your nose? Ooh. Yeah, ain't no way. If you see the little one, I would already been gone.
You. Oh. Oh. Rah! No.
Oh
Go
my
away.
gosh.
Go away. Go away. No.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Yo.
You, dude. Holy.
Ain't no way. It's still following him?
Yeah, get the away from me.
God is good. Yo, that was crazy. I've never had, well, one time. But we're not gonna get to this video. This is a reaction channel. This is a reaction channel. But yo, if you would like to hear that, let me know and I can talk about it on my main channel. But yo, I'm in love right here. Tune in, never tune out. Remember, every day you have a choice. It's your boy ATM, and I'm signing out. Deuces. Catch you guys in the next reaction video that I do.